Oh man, we have a lot of exciting things to talk about, and today is going to be a very jam-packed type of episode. And welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Muna, aka Beyond 10x, and as you can see, we are going to be talking about this amazing cryptocurrency that has been doing tremendously well for the past few days because we have had a crazy 363% price increment in the past 14 days as far as AXS token is concerned. Of course, the project is called Axie Infinity, and today it has grown by about 27%. Could you freaking believe it? So I am the voice of reason. Before you guys go crazy jumping in, going all crazy, buying a lot of AX tokens, I'm just here to let you know that this particular cryptocurrency has pumped by about 363% in the past 14 days. We are in a blatant bear market as far as Bitcoin is concerned because we obviously experienced a massive drop from about 60,000 to about 30,000, and we are currently trading at 34,695. However, you guys already know the dealie. You guys already know that I am expecting the Wyckoff schematic, and so far BTC is on track as far as recovery is concerned. But today's major topic is about Axie, Axie Infinity, which a lot of people seem to be loving because it is a play to win, a play to earn. Yeah, it is a play to earn type of cryptocurrency where people can actually people can play games in order for them to make some moolah, some money. So before you jump in, you have to remember that the markets are made up of fluctuations. There's going to be a pump and there's going to be a dump as well. So what I would love to encourage people is to practice a little bit of patience, because right now if you take a look at the graph of Axie Infinity AX, right, we are literally forming some sort of all-time high, because if we take a look at the statistics. Oh, by the way, before we jump into the technical analysis as far as AX token is concerned, right, we need to look at the data. So the market cap of AX token Axie Infinity is 808 million US dollars with a healthy 24-hour trading volume of about 1.7 billion US dollars, and the previous all-time high, or rather the most recent all-time high, is 16 cents, $64. Sorry, $16.64, and the previous all-time low was around 12 cents, and this occurred on the 6th of November 2020, about 8 months ago. So if we look at the maximum chart, right, it looks pretty lovely. If you guys got in during this end of the accumulation phase on 24th June 2021, you would have had a solid, dramatic, exponential, exclusive, exquisite price pump as far as AX is concerned. So please let me know in the comment section below, are you part of the people who got in pre-pump? Okay, so this is a non-fungible token. It is a very good type of cryptocurrency that really sort of allows you to play and earn money, and then you can also sort of get to trade with the non-fungible tokens. And in the Axie Infinity, right, I'm not really going to go in details as far as the actual project, because I'm mostly going to be dealing with the technical analysis and the important things that you guys need to know as far as the technical analysis is concerned. So if you guys want to have like a proper breakdown of how you can play the game, how you can sort of get to register, connect your MetaMask, and all that good stuff, I can do that a little bit later. But for now, I just want to be the voice of reason, whereby I am here to remind you that, look, there is always better and cheaper prices, because if you buy at the all-time high, trust me, this is like the all-time high. So basically, if you're one of the people that go in here, I think it's a good idea to take some profits off of the table, minimize that risk. Okay, however, from a future perspective, this cryptocurrency is absolutely a $20 billion type of market cap. So it can actually do another 10x from here. It can do it 20x from these prices. But of course, you can always bargain and get in at a much cheaper price. Okay, so the other cryptocurrency which is connected to the Axie Infinity is Smooth Love Potion, because it is sort of intertwined and connected into this particular ecosystem. So basically, AX is sort of like a store of value, just like BTC. But if you guys have already interacted with the game, you guys already know that Smooth Love Potion is also part of the ecosystem. And if you guys can take a look at the market cap, right, Smooth Love Potion is also going to be doing very well. And as you can see, right, it has pumped by about 15%. And if we take a look at the past 14 days, right, it has done an 82% price increment, which isn't, it's not really shabby. And it has done a 648% over the past 4 years. So if we take a look at the all-time high, right, the all-time high happened on the 2nd of May 2021, about 2 months ago, and the all-time low was around 20th June 2020. So the all-time high was around 39 cents, close to about 40 cents, right, and we are still down. So when it comes to the tokenomics of this particular platform, right, would it be better for you to sort of jump into SLP in comparison to Axie Infinity? So that is a question that I would love you to drop in the comment section below. Which one is a better bargain as far as the gains is concerned? So Never Again says, hey bro, you have to join us on the KuCoin blockchain. It's called KCC. KuSwap is already on CoinGecko. Yeah, I did see KuCoin start pumping not so long ago. So before you distract me, let me just take a look at KuCoin. Are you talking about this one, KuCoin token, right? Yeah, hey bro, you need to join us on the KuCoin blockchain. It's called KCCC. Okay, I'll take a look at it a little bit later. Before I get distracted, I just saw that KuCoin token has been pumping of late, and it has been doing tremendously well. So on this one, if we take a look at the price action right over here, I really think that we can actually surpass the previous all-time high of around 18 cents pretty soon. So of course we're going to have like a little bit of a drawback, and then we're going to continue pushing up. So I really think this one is going to do very well. Like it's literally going to go above $18 like in the next coming 2 weeks. So this one is definitely a bargain. So before you get me distracted, never again, let me just get back to what I was saying as far as AXS is concerned. But I know a lot of you have obviously missed this particular price pump. So what I would advise you to do is wait for the price of AX token to sort of come back to this particular level, especially between $8 to around $10. The price is definitely going to come back here because we need to sort of test this liquidity right over here, and there's going to be a particular moment in the near future where the price is going to drop even below $10. The price could potentially drop to around $7, even $6. So between $10 to about $6, $6 to about $10, that would be like a very good bargaining area to sort of get in. And then you guys are going to be Gucci. You guys are going to do what you have to do as far as getting in to this particular trade. However, a lot of you might be saying, okay, it's never ever going to come back down. It's never ever going to do that. Well, you just have to relax because the team is most likely going to be taking profits, because the team has got overhead expenses. The team needs to do a few things as far as running the company is concerned. So even if the retail investors, like regular players who are so into this particular game, they want the ecosystem to kind of move and win overall, the team is going to be selling. So what is the best thing to do? Just wait for the price to come back either between $6 to about $10. Then you can dollar cost average in and all that stuff. So just wait for it. It's going to come back down to your particular price entry. However, if you guys have already formed and you kind of got in a little bit early, I think it's time to take some profits. However, this is looking very, very sweet and very good. And this is one of the reasons why I really think that from a grand scheme of things, right? If you look at the 3-day, this is only the first wave. So there's going to be a corrective structure where the price is going to come back down into our buy zone, you know. And if that happens, let's say, for example, Bitcoin doesn't really mess up anything, but you know, Bitcoin is very stable. It stayed above our particular threshold. We wanted the price of Bitcoin to stay above 33,300, right? That was our sort of danger zone if we had to go below 33,300. But at this particular moment, we are way above 33,300. So we are actually doing very well as far as Bitcoin is concerned. It's just a matter of time till we pump and we go to 41,000 US dollars, because the price of Bitcoin is definitely going to go to 41,000 US dollars in the next coming few days, and it's going to be good. It's just taking a little bit longer because the markets just have their ways of doing things, but best believe it's definitely going to come back down to this particular level. So when that happens, most likely AXS Axie, I mean, the price is going to you know, slightly drop down, and then we're going to be able to sort of find an entry. So at this particular moment, I would really sort of encourage people to just be a little bit patient, especially for the people who haven't been sort of getting in early. But if you did, let's say for example, get in around this particular low level, then you should be taking some profits. At least try to take about half or some sort of amount which you think is going to allow you to have some sort of risk-free type of trade in the near future. So as far as SLP is concerned, right, obviously I'm leaning towards, I'm leaning more towards AXS. Ooh, that's something difficult to say. I'll just stick to Axie Infinity. So, you know, personally, I would rather stick to Axie Infinity, you know, in comparison to SLP as well. But this one, man, I really wish I kind of got in early. I didn't really get in that early. I kind of delayed when it comes to investing into this particular, you know, project, because I was like, okay, I don't really know much about this particular cryptocurrency, but this time around, I'm actually focusing on this particular cryptocurrency, and I'm going to be keeping an eye on it. So next time, I'm obviously going to be enjoying those lovely games, and it's listed on Binance. You know, it's listed on Binance, and you can actually get to buy it on Uniswap as well. So this is an absolute beast of a project, you know. And I hear that it's really big in the Philippines, and people are just going crazy with it. So just take a look at Axie Infinity. Of course, this is not a sponsored episode. I'm just purely doing this out of you know, interest and curiosity. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. So as far as Axie Infinity is concerned, the only prices that I'm looking forward to dollar cost average in is probably between $6 to about $10. I'm not buying anything which is going to be above $10. That's just how I roll. I'm a very patient guy, and you know, there's a lot of moves that we can make, you know, so yeah, that's what it is. So anyway, let's get back to BTC, because BTC is one of those cryptocurrencies that really sort of determines what the price is going to do as far as these other alternative cryptocurrencies are concerned. But of course, there's going to be like some few cryptocurrencies which are going to be outliers, and they are sort of going to do the most test when the markets are, you know, stagnant. So such type of cryptocurrency, you know, projects such as Axie Infinity just sort of surprises everybody, and you know, it just does very well. So before we jump into Bitcoin, right, let's take a look at the trending cryptocurrencies at this particular moment. So right now, the trending searches that we have, we've got Axie Infinity, we've got KuCoin token. Yo, Never Again kind of talked about KuCoin token. So yeah, big shout out to you, Never Again. It seems you are on top of your business, man. You know what's trending, you know what's popping, and you know what to concentrate on. Because you know, a lot of people don't really have this particular skill whereby they're always going to the game, or they are kind of jumping into the trend when it is almost or nearly finished, you know. So big shout out to all my savvy subscribers out there, because by the end of it, I just want you guys to sort of come to my YouTube channel and, you know, like, tell me what's up, tell me which coins I should jump into and just, you know, buy, so I can also enjoy those lovely, amazing gains. So this is one of the reasons why I really want to create this amazing relationship with you, because you guys have been supporting me. You guys have been liking my YouTube channel. Oh, and by the way, kindly smash the like button right about now, because that really helps me sort of receive the favor as far as the YouTube algorithm is concerned. So please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on post notifications. And I'm also looking forward to your lovely feedback as far as all your investments. So basically, if we look at the trending stages right now, I'm only interested in 3 cryptocurrencies. I'm interested in Solana. I'm also interested in Axie Infinity and KuCoin. Of course, Harmony is about to do very well. So let's take a look at this one. So this could be a very good potential trade as well. So Harmony, ooh, jeez, woo! Now that's a beautiful chart. That's a lovely chart right there. That's something lovely. So let's take a look at the Axie Infinity right now, because if you look at this particular chart, right, it is sort of representing where Axie Infinity was like a few days ago, about 3, 4, 6 days ago. So take a look at this amazing chart, right? Let me do this. Let me flip over to the 30 days so that you can have like a proper perspective. Okay, let's do the 90 day. Okay, 180 days. Okay, take a look at that. Take a look at that grand sort of elevation in terms of the price. So boom, we had that accumulation, and now we've got like the first pump. Okay, now take a look at Axie Infinity. In terms of how the graph was kind of moving. Take a look at this. We go to 180 day, and it looks pretty much similar. I mean, a lot of these altcoins are probably like done with the accumulation phase, and we're about to like see them kind of move and kind of push. Because people are getting bored. People are getting bored because they're like, okay, like the markets are not really moving. Okay, let me just give up, or let me just do something else. And then again, the cycle is going to continue. So, Harmony is definitely one of those coins that would trade, and I would find appropriate entries. And today it has actually, moved. This has been like a very good decent pump, so there's actually some more time. I'll probably get in on a little bit of a pullback. When the price kind of pulls back, then I'll think of jumping in when it comes to that particular threshold where the pullback is done. So these are the trending coins that we are having. I mean, Shiba Inu, pretty much the same. You guys already know Terra, Smooth Love Potion. So basically, Axie Infinity ecosystem is absolutely dominating. Ooh, by the way, you guys already know that BNB is absolutely my favorite cryptocurrency. And, this one is a long-term hold for me. It is a long-term hold for me. And I really believe by the end of it, by the end of this cycle, trust me, BNB is going to be way much more expensive than Ethereum. So you obviously stand a better chance in terms of making that money if you invest in BNB in comparison to Ethereum. So me personally, if I had to pick one coin, it'd probably be BNB, because they have the whole ecosystem, NFTs, an exchange. They've got their own smart contract platform. They've got their own blockchain. They've got pancakeswap, Bakeryswap, everything. They've got the whole shebang. They've got the whole deal. I mean, this is absolutely an amazing cryptocurrency for me. So definitely, I am super excited about BNB. Oh, and by the way, BNB was supposed to release their NFT marketplace. Like, if and when BNB releases their NFT marketplace, I'm telling you, man, it's going to be game over for Bakeryswap. It's going to be game over for Ethereum. So I'm sure there's a little bit of early investors starting to get in. And if you take a look at the chart, right, the chart is similar as well. Axie Infinity is just giving us an example of what a lot of these altcoins can potentially give us. So this is one of the reasons why I'm telling you, man, you need to jump into BNB. Otherwise, you guys are going to end up regretting. So yeah, what else do we have? Ooh, Polygon Matic. I mean, it's also a very great bargain as well. But for me, I'm not really that into Polygon, because it is like a layer 2 type of solution. It's like building on top of something. Why can't you just invest in something which already has got the whole thing? But that's just me. So Ethereum is also getting a little bit of momentum. Polkadot is also one of those cryptocurrencies that you need to have on your or rather in your portfolio. Okay, so this has been what has been trending. This has been what has been trending, and I'm just looking at a few coins in terms of what I'm interested in. Yeah, so let's talk about BTC, what you guys came here for. So big shout out to everybody watching me right now. You guys are awesome. I would really love to hear your feedback right now in the live chat section. Yeah, okay, so let's take a look at BTC. Now this one is going to be overall the same. Today is a Wednesday, right? So usually the markets are pretty slow on a Thursday and on a Friday. Okay, so I really expect like a little bit of a pullback down, but we could have a situation where the price is not really going to end up dropping down, because by the end of it all, we have like literally been on this rampage as far as the correction is concerned, and we are still Gucci as far as the range is concerned. So the most important thing is we are supposed to make our our trajectory towards the upside bottom. So this is one of the reasons why I'm simply going to be buying every dip. And if you guys have noticed, like every dip that happened, every price drop that happened, it has always been bought back up. We are having ferocious crazy dumps, but it's still getting bought back up. So please do not get lost in the sauce. If the price of BTC drops, you guys already know the thing. You guys already know the deal. All you gotta do is just sort of jump back in whenever the correction is done, and we are going to continue rinsing and repeating buying the dip until we get to 41,000 US dollars. 41,000 US dollars, so about 42,000 US dollars. I mean, it is solidified. So far, the price of Bitcoin hasn't closed below 33,300. That is the price level that we are looking at. So my absolute strategy right now is buy the dip until it dips normal, enjoy the ride, rinse and repeat. Okay, so here, if we take a look at the past 24 hours, right, we had this amazing sort of price pump, and this is one of the reasons why I am inclined to believe that we are somewhat facing some sort of support, like between 34,000 to about 33,600. This is like a very good reload zone where you can get to sort of purchase, because the price is probably not going to significantly drop below 33,600, especially in the next 24 to about 96 hours. So this is one of the reasons why, if you guys are into altcoins, once the price of BTC sort of stops correcting, you can always enter and buy some few altcoins such as BNB, Harmony, KuCoin Share, and any other altcoin that you are eyeing at this particular moment, because the prices are obviously going to do very well. So yeah, pretty much everything is pretty much the same. Let's take a look at a different perspective, because I always love taking a look at different perspectives as well. So if you take a look at this, right, we have been consistently forming higher lows, higher lows and higher highs, okay, at this particular moment. So we've been doing that, and to me that really signifies the bullishness, and obviously, of course, sometimes there might be some sort of situation where the price does that and then it continues going up, but overall, regardless, we are still in this particular situation where the price is most likely going to do very well. So if we had to drop, right, I really reckon that the price is probably going to sort of end up going to around 33,100, even 34,100, right over here, 34,100 to about 33,800. If the price is going to be in this particular threshold, right, I'm going to be buying BTC plus a lot of altcoins. Okay, so that's definitely what I'm going to be doing. So pretty much everything, BTC and all your favorite altcoins are definitely going to do very well, and there's going to be a particular part of the mid-term to short-term near future where the prices are going to do very well. So just keep it simple, don't overcomplicate stuff. We are bullish overall. We are doing well. We are doing very well. So don't even overthink these things. Let's just let the markets do what they have to do, and then we're going to reap the benefits, because we have to test sort of this liquidity right over here. I'm not even going to overcomplicate stuff, because you guys already know the story. You guys already know the grand finale. You guys already have the blueprint. You guys already know what we are supposed to be doing, when we're supposed to be doing what we're supposed to be doing. So it's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. You guys have been awesome, and I'm probably going to be talking to you a little bit later, most likely tomorrow, because I've been slacking a little bit because the markets were pretty much the same. I didn't want to come here repeat myself like a broken record. You guys already know the blueprint. You already know the blueprint. We are still waiting for the Wyckoff schematic to sort of play out, and we're going to do very well. So right now, if you take a look at the funding rate is absolutely stagnant. It's neither here nor there. It's like in a neutral environment, because we are at 0.01%. So the BTC dominance has been going down, and this is one of the reasons we've been saying the altcoins outperform BTC. So anyway, I'm about to go take a nap right now, because it's around 11 p.m. where I am. It's almost close to midnight. It's 11:30. So I just have to say good night and good morning to everybody watching me right now. Talk to you a little bit later. Remember, practice proper risk management. Okay, be safe out there when it comes to trading. Make sure you never get to compromise your cryptocurrency portfolio, because if you compromise your cryptocurrency portfolio, then you're not really going to be able to participate. You're not going to be able to take part and enjoy the fruits of your labor. So be patient, practice proper risk management, take profits when you have to, and always listen to my analysis, because my analysis is obviously top notch. So yeah, talk to you a little bit later. Bye.